Hello, I'm gonna come here at the back after a few days. You see, my computer is very nice and very colorful, very modern logo. So, if you promote your company or your business, you can do such kinds of logo design. Just follow my video and support me, and we can learn something from this video. So, no more talk, just start from the beginning. So, what should I do? I need to just small size it, just a little bit small, so that I can do clearly something like that. Keep here. Yes, I setting here. So, what should I do? I need to just what? What I need to just color this one. I think first of all. Then I can do something. What should I do? I need first of all the star tool. You see here so many tools, but I need star tool. So what should I do? I need first here. You see the number 3. But here you can default it see 6 or 7. I don't know exactly, but I setting this one like that, just 3. Okay, so okay, yeah, you see how is it coming automatically. So what should I do? I need to just a little bit bigger for the see the clear object. So what should I do? I need a first of all I need to press 0 and enter. Let's see. You see 90, but I need 0 degree because I need you need to also preview, otherwise it will not do. You see now how, oh my god, this how is happening. So I need this one, just delete, then it will be better. So what should I do? I need now the pen tool. Why pen tool? I need like that setting. So I needed the pen tool from the here, just like that, then like that. Okay, so here, then this middle, and this one down here, and this one like that. Yes, you see, done. Almost I have done it. So what should I do? I need to just copy this one. And press R, then 0, enter. Yes, you see, on the time just I read 0, but now it's showing 0. Then now I need 9. Okay, so I need now. Okay, okay. You see? Oh no, sorry, man. I have mistaken. It will be 9. Then a copy. Yes, copy. Yes, right here. Now see, I can do this one like that easily. You can setting. Okay, so 100% is okay. So I need it now united. Just Pathfinder, go to the Pathfinder and click united. Oh, nice. So nice. So nice. So what should I do? I need to know pen tool. I need to know again the pen tool. Otherwise it makes a problem. So go to the pen tool and here, then I need to do it fast. Escape. If you don't know how to remove this, just counter site in the keyboard, just escape, then it will be removed. So what should I do? I need this one. I need this one a little bit bigger, I think. it will be more. It's also color white, little bit bigger. Otherwise, it will not. I think five. Yes, five is okay. So what should I do? I need to back to the panel tool because I need to set here. Here, yeah, I think it will be better than set it here. Then down here. Yes, yes, done. Almost done. Escape again. So right here, and it will be more better. So I needed the R O enter, then a back, then a copy here. Yes, done. Almost done. Very nice. So I needed now setting here this middle side. I think it middle. Yeah, middle. Yeah, middle. Okay, so what should I do? Right now, I need to just keep all the things. So what should I do? I need this one, then copy this one, copy that one, then object, then expand. Yes, it is done. Now what should I do? I need to just back to the Pathfinder. You divide. Then what? What should I just ungroup this? Oh no, ungroup. No, it did not done. Maybe that's why it's looking like that. What should I do? I do divide it, and then yeah, I need to now. Yes, ungroup all the things. Okay, right here now all the things I cut. How should I cut this one? I need all the cut, all the things. I need a bigger. It will be more better than to cut here unnecessary things. I should cut all the things which are not necessary. So I needed to cut all the things here. Clear maybe. I think it's a clear. So go to the down side, the bigger. Oh my god, how is that? So all the things here, how is the bigger? I need a small size. So go to the center like that. Okay, so all the things here are necessary. I think, yeah, anymore, anymore, yes, anymore. Yes, all the things I needed to cut, all the things. How is a lot? So I need to cut all the things. Yes, yes, yes. Cut, cut. Yes, cut. You need a little bit time. You need give a little bit time. Otherwise, it not looking nice. It will not look nice. So I need here check. Yes, here also. I need everything I need to loud and clear. Otherwise, you can face many troubles. Whenever you're gonna to the your professional, then you can face many troubles. So that's why you need to 100% clear. Otherwise, it makes a problem. So almost done, but I need also some things here. You see, looking at it now. I need to cut here something. So what should I do? I need to just this line segment tool. So what should I do? This one also very effective a tool. So I need it like that. Yes, I need this one now. So I need like that. I need it now just here, then divide, then then no, no, not like that. Just ungroup. Oh my God, what happened is there? Now the group. No, no. Why? It's not happen. Divide. Then what? What another ungroup? Yes, ungroup. Now what should I do? Just a cut. Yes, you see, it's looking very nice. You see, it's looking very nice. So what should I do? I need now here. Oh, it is not good. Yeah, good enough. So what should I do? I need now just what? Yeah, good. Now I need another this shape. So what should I do? I need also no, maybe a little bit color. No, okay. So what should I do? I need the pen tool again. Why pen tool? Because I need the pen tool. Why? You see, I need it from this. Yes, I need always to follow this shape. Yeah, okay, okay. So what should I do? I need it from here. Yes, 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 right here. Okay, so what should I do? I need it again to the object and a part and opposite part. Yes, you're right. So what should I do? I need it now here to divide and also need to ungroup and cut all the unnecessary things. So how should I cut this one? I need to cut this one, that one, this one, yes, this one cut, this one. Oh my God, what happened is there? So this one cut to a little bit more better. So how this one I just oh my goodness, how is happen like that? So okay, so you can just you cut this all the things. I'm very fast in doing. I will not cut it. Just if you professional thinking, then you can need a cut 100%. You need a cut. So I will try. Okay, let me try. It it is possible or not possible. Just see me. Oh, I'm trying. Just I'm trying. It good or not? Just trying. What should I do? I need to know just this covered it. Oh my God. What? Okay. Okay. This not just big problem. If you thinking that professionally, then you can learn how to cut it this one. Okay, I will not have time to cut it. So friends, just I remember this one needed to what I needed united this one. Okay, so it is very nice, very fantastic. You see, it's happening like that. So exactly like that I'm doing. You can see now what should I? Another one thing is that you see I need ellipse tool. an ellipse tool. I need now just like that, like that. Yeah, okay, I done. How should I do this one? You see, a little bit here like that, like angle. Yes, okay. So what should I do? I need to now copy by pressing Alt. Then I just like that. Okay, so you see, a little bit. Sorry, a little bit upper side. Yes, okay. So I needed to this one divide. Yes, then it just then ungroup it. Then it is cut. Yes, you see, my guys, how doing this one? Okay, so I need to now put it here. This one, this middle side. Yes, middle side. Okay, so I have already setting this one middle side. So I need this all the things to group. So group minus I need united this one and also group all the things. Now I need the typing tool. Typing tool. So I write here anything, anything. That means then I can here write yan. Yan. You see? Just I needed to change the color and setting here the main setting. So I needed the color. You see? Yes. What should I do? I need to copy this one. It will be more right here. Copy this one. So I need again right here like that. Alright. Brand. Yes, you see how it's doing. Yeah, you can see. And now this one I need to a little bit similar. It will be more better here. See? Yes, it's a little bit the brand, and this one a little bit bigger. It will be more better than to see. Yes, like that, like that. Sorry. So again, I need to now to this one tool, rectangle tool. So putting here, and a little bit here, like that. Little bit. Yes. Small. Yes. Now downside a little bit. You see? Yes, almost done. You see how is fantastic. So right here, just need to yes, done, almost done. You see how possible. It is not a so tough, but it's very like same to same. No, not any difference. You see exactly whatever I have seen in the previous. So thanks for watching, and comment me if any problems, facing problems, just comment me, then I will give the answer. Thanks for watching. Thank